Here I go, on the same shit, the same lines, giving the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing yet another finger wave tutorial, although this is an updated one because I am natural. So I start off with these products, I mix them all together. So I'm gonna put the timestamp and the products I use in the section of the video so that you guys have a list to refer to. I'm just dampening my hair and just prepping it for the mask that I've made prior. The reason why I mix all three of those products is because I like to dilute the purple shampoo, because as my hair is actually white, whenever I put too much purple shampoo in my hair or blue shampoo in my hair, it turns like silver grey, and that's not the look that I'm trying to go for. So I use other products to help dilute the purple shampoo, one being the Loco Coco shampoo or any shampoo, and the other being silicone mix. However, the silicone mix does play a huge role in protecting my hair and making it silky smooth, or as much as it can. So it's just really important for me to mix it with silicone mix at least. So I will in the future do a more in-depth hair routine so that you guys understand why I use certain products in my hair.
Giving them more inches to measure. On target with angles, I got a plethora. Long shot, ain't nothing about me regular. She love how it is.
So I am natural, I have no relaxer in my hair whatsoever, but the bleach did relax out some of my curls. I will be doing a more in-depth Q&A video, so if any of you have any questions, just pop it down below in the comments or in my DMs. So of course I'm going to use my favourite leave-in conditioner, which is Creme of Nature Pure Honey. Love it. I'm just going to spray that around town so that my hair is saturated in it. So I do have a bit of regrowth, however I do like it because it just gives my hair a bit of flavour. Do you know what I mean? Like salt and pepper. I just love it. So I'm just going to part the sections. I really hate this part because partings and me, we don't go together, and I spend so long in this part of my hair routine. I love to use eco styling gel, like especially the coconut oil one. I've had to switch this up from my last routine. I used to use foam, but with this natural bleach hair, I figured out that the gel was working much better. You might need some faith too in this section because finger waves do be trying you, but I mean, let's just hope that this goes well. So I prefer starting on this side because it's so much easier for me, and it just lays the foundation of how the rest of the hair is going to look. I basically move in a S motion or a C motion. I don't actually know how to explain it, but I'm hoping that the video is clear enough to understand. So for me, I'm not speaking for anybody else, but for myself, I do find that doing the finger waves on natural hair was much easier than doing it on my relaxed hair. I just found that it would stay in place and you didn't have to manipulate the hair to basically just like stay in place. With relaxed hair, sometimes it droops down because it's straight and all of that. So yeah, natural hair just, I don't know, it just holds where it's supposed to hold.
Here I go, on the same shit, the same lines, giving the same trip, hoping you answer the call when I send it. Throw a bat signal in the sky like a mention. No, I ain't lost, I know this wasn't the plan. And here you go thinking you getting the upper hand. In reality, I was looking for something proper, homegrown, I don't like mine, doctor. Oh no, that ain't what I would stop for. Thinking as I'm off in the hunt, is this really real? Am I forced in the front? Trapping for a bird when it's you that I want. See how the mind play tricks on you fast. Sometimes we talk about it just to get a laugh. No line in what we doing, exclusive is just a tag. You plus me, ain't no need to do the math. Lord,
why don't you stay with me? I just want you in my arms, more than a night.
Ooh.
Why don't you stay with me? I just want you in my arms,
I did that.
more than a night. Why don't you stay with me? I just want you in my arms, more than a night. Why don't you stay with me? I just want you in my arms, more than a night.
now we off to the races, no escaping the pleasure. Giving them more inches to measure.
Normally with the back of my hair, I just like comb it down, but you know, I tried to attempt to do a finger wave at the back. And I did what I had to, but yeah.
Like this and the feeling might pass me. Unless you got a move to make, I really think that you should stay with me.
Why don't you stay with me? I just want you in my arms, more than a night.
This step is optional, however, if I'm in a rush and I haven't set my hair, then I like to use the setting spray. And I like this one because it doesn't leave your hair like really hard and dull. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to be doing more hair related videos, especially a Q&A and in-depth hair routine. So if you guys have any questions, please don't be shy. Comment down below or you can DM me on Instagram. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.
I know this wasn't the plan.